everything. Some WD-40 would be sick.
It's a good ratchet, dude.
Bro, you know the funny thing is I have a lot of hours on this ratchet actually.
But the teeth feel great.
It's never been fucking rebuilt, obviously.
It's a good ratchet, dude.
It's a good fucking ratchet, Tony.
Oh, it works.
Hey, what can I say? What can I say except you're welcome? Well,
it's spinning.
Wait, why is there so much room in this engine bay? It can go sideways. Fucking transaxles.
Yeah, I was about to say, is it meant to be a transversal, dude? Oh, fuck, don't you tip on me.
It wants to really badly.
I know, once we get it pulled out, we can drop it though. WD-40 would be great. Some WD-40 would be great. Hey.
You can put that on the table. Hello. Oh, there you go.
Hey!
Oh my god, let's go! Let's fucking go! This is gonna be hot as fuck.
Yeah, where do we... There we go.
It's literally fucking like, it's literally smoking. Oh yeah, hey. Nice. Oh shit. Oh, we good? I don't use my fucking tray for anything anyway.
Exactly, I was like, wait.
Fuck it.
Tray.
Holy
Hold
fuck,
hot
that bitch is hot as fucking hell. Holy shit.
I'm like, tray hold hot bolt.
Yeah, oh my god, dude. Hold on. They gotta see this.
It's fucking hot as fuck.
Oh yeah.
What the fuck?
Said there's a bunch of stuff that's needed where they have their graduation party at their house. So I offered to, they said if you need help, let me know. She's like, really? I'm like,
Not like we tell you every single time that we're over there.
yeah, I was like, yeah.
Shit's stripped.
Like, just text me and
That shit is stripped.
I'm going somewhere. What do you think those are torqued to, bro?
God fucking damn.
Like at least 100.
If I had to guess, I'd be fucking torqued to fucking goddamn it. There you go. Oh, that oil piston right now.
How's that, how are the rings?
This bearing looks pretty good.
I mean the rings.
Oh, I don't know, I'm replacing those. Put this order for real.
You shut the fuck up.
I'm sorry, bro, I'm just concerned about you.
You have a fucking retarded disorder?
Yes, we've been over that, dog. I'm just concerned about you, twin. I'm not trying to make fun of you. Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh my. Oh.
Don't fuck anything up.
This one's got a smidge. Oh yeah, there's some scoring, bad scoring on that one, that one. These two are good. Back ones are cooked.
Yeah, throw coilovers.
This guy was already done, so this guy. Simple as fucking bowl pattern.
Yeah, it's a pretty simple one. That's good, right there.
Yeah, that's the
9,
mine.
10.
Alright. Exactly. I ignored the pattern for these 4 bolts, and I was like, I'll go with Anvil.
Probably shouldn't do it right there on that surface, but I'm a fucking madman like
We're
that.
leaving that in the video. Of you just using the fucking block as an anvil.
It's flat, isn't it?
Yeah, it's that.
No, it's just like, God damn it, get it. Just set it down right there. Fuck it. God damn. We need a hammer. We need a soft mallet, bro.
Oh. This front side doesn't want to release.
Yeah. I imagine this front side's probably gonna be a fucking bitch.
Hold on, what does that mean? I guess I don't really need this. There it goes.
It's a little easier, you know what I mean?
Oh, true.
Just to like turn it.
There's that number.
Hey! Look at that. What?
They're already on a girdle as well.
They're ready on the girdle?
Yeah, like it's already popping them.
Okay, cool. I'm just inspecting like the Yeah, honestly, I'm convinced we could have ran this engine.
Oh, 100%.
It's got wear, but I don't think it's like got any oil starvation. There's like no discoloration.